Day 5 of Vagabond vacation is the last shooting day. We're on top of a hill. This time we don't have a school bus, but we have a beautiful villa, infinity pool, multiple villas to be honest.
We took the group shot and then it was awesome to see that all the photographers just ran off immediately because they all already saw a spot where they would love to take some shots themselves. So let's quickly check up on everybody. Here we got Ken, and I really like the hat in this location. You know, it's like a very elegant, chic location. Oh, and the hoop rings.
Oh.
Yeah, they match the vibe very well. Nice.
Very bougie.
I like the shot they just took, creating a little bit of motion with her kicking up the water with her leg without falling.
I was trying to see,
Thank goodness, it was a close
testing her
call.
balance.
I don't know how high is the drop here actually. I haven't been there yet.
It's a little
High enough.
high.
It's
It's high
high
enough.
enough.
But I would like move my body so I fall into the pool instead.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
These are my favorite shots.
Yes? Your favorite shots?
Oh my
Alright, now I'm very curious.
This location is amazing.
I love here the combo of like the sweet, innocent dress and then this like metal shirt.
Oh yeah.
Dress when you wear when you go have lunch with your grandparents.
Over there is free now.
Because all the other ones I have back at home are all over the place.
The Vagabond vacation, funny enough, got you covered to be like proper with your parents. It's not our usual style, but we like to experiment.
For once I have adequate clothing on out here.
We're doing a little brand shoot in the meanwhile. The owner of the villa has a brand of women's clothing. So Sarah is getting some shots here of Natasha with the dress.
The first batch of the brand clothing was a little bit oversized. They might have overestimated the size of our models a little bit. The second batch had a lot of nice stuff, so all of a sudden all the girls jumped on it and found some pieces that they did like. We got this little greenhouse vibe, and here I saw some teal colored flowers, and there's a little bit of teal on one of the two clothing pieces she chose. And then over there we got something I've also seen a lot in La Fortuna. It's these kind of bamboo with red, bright red in it. I also want to take some photos there. Second outfit is see-through. I saw this Japanese little dome. We're gonna put her in a meditation pose.
Back with the fierce poses.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both killing it. I like the pose, Cameron. The photography pose. You also look fierce.
Yeah, what about this one right here?
Yeah, oh yeah. Get it, get it. This is a good tip to shoot dresses or anything that you have from clothing that can really flow in the wind. As a model you can throw the dress and then that creates a lot of nice movement in the shot and in the clothing that you're wearing. You guys, I was gonna say you guys look fabulous. You girls look fabulous. You guys too, don't worry, don't worry. I think we're gonna have an awesome sunset here. Look at that. Give it about maybe 30 minutes and we will have one of the best lights that we have had this entire week, I think. Just look how it shines in the girls' hairs. Just the golden glow in the back of their hair. We're gonna take our time a little bit more to build an actual good shot. That's why we started by moving this here in the pool area so that the model can sit on it while still having the pool as the background. And then for the rest, Juan is gonna make sure that all the composition, the model, everything is in the place to get a perfect shot. For example, now Juan was actually just checking first the frame. The model wasn't even there and he was checking, because there's not a reason to bother the model actually when you still haven't decided yet what background you want, etc. And now that he figured out that this is the background that he wanted, he placed the model in and now he will start to have the model also placed in the scene. For this shot we want the head to be a little bit lower, making it a little bit more anonymous.
This is good.
So that's why Sonny helped now so that the model didn't have to do it with her own hands. That obviously wouldn't really work in this situation. Building a good shot takes time. That's one of the tips we give a lot of the people here. They just kind of want to too quickly get a good results. We're already trying to get the perfect shot for maybe like 15-20 minutes now. And still trying out new poses, new locations to really get the best shot possible. That's just the #1 tip. Don't just snap it and then move on to the next one. Actually spend time trying to take the best shot of the ID that you had. Sometimes the models also have the best IDs. She said like, hey, what about just covering me with the hat? Now it looks like she's fully nude under it, even though she's actually still wearing pants, but you don't see it, so that's super cool.
Yes!
So that's the result you want. That's the sound you want the model to make when you show her the photos. And until you have that, you keep shooting and shooting till she's happy like that. We switched Camille's hat to a bikini. She's taking some awesome shots here with Brandon in the leaves.
Actually, do you have a way
really
of
like
this one
that they're
down,
using
like
this
a little
plant
bit
here.
There's gonna be one dude jumping into the pool, kind of breaking up the picture, and that will be me.
You cannot imagine how perfect it is. It is absolutely perfect.
Oh wow.
It's absolutely just a dude jumping in the middle of the frame. So what I just shot was a group lifestyle shot. It's a type of photo I like to take contrary to like a group photo where you pose everybody together, I like to each give them like a role as if they're doing something natural, an activity, but it's kind of an over dramatization because I love this kind of passionate story. I like to call myself a storyteller rather than a photographer sometimes. So for me this was really like an over dramatized version of the Beverly Hills housewives chilling at the pool.
I hope you enjoyed following along with the shoot, and I also hope to see you on one of our events. So vagabondvacation.com if you want to enjoy shoots, models, amazing locations and amazing sunsets with all of us.